In today's video, we're diving into the question, Copy.ai versus Frase, which AI tool really delivers when it comes to research and writing capabilities. We'll be breaking down both tools to see which one comes out on top and if there's a hidden gem that could be the better option for your needs. Let's start with Copy.ai. This tool is great for generating content fast. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so you can create blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, and more in just a few clicks. But when it comes to research, Copy.ai tends to fall a bit short. It doesn't provide deep insights or gather information from multiple sources like you might expect from a full-fledged research tool. While it's excellent for getting some initial text down, it lacks the in-depth research features that more seasoned writers might be looking for. Next thing, let's talk about Frase. Frase is built with research at its core, pulling information from top-ranking pages, news sources, and research databases. If you're looking for a content tool that can help you develop ideas based on real data, Frase definitely has the edge. It uses AI to analyze search results and summarize the most relevant points, helping you create content that's optimized for SEO and factual accuracy. However, Frase can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. The interface isn't as user-friendly as Copy.ai, and it may take some time to fully understand how to leverage all the features it offers. The third thing to consider is ease of use. If you're someone who just wants to get in, write, and get out, Copy.ai has a clear advantage. Its interface is straightforward, and there's a ton of templates to help speed up the writing process. But that ease of use comes at the cost of more in-depth features. Copy.ai simply doesn't give you the robust research tools that Frase offers, making it more suited for short-form content or situations where you don't need to dive into data-heavy writing. Moving on, let's compare the writing capabilities. Copy.ai's writing tools are solid for short content, but they don't give you the depth you might want for longer blog posts or comprehensive articles. It excels at creating quick drafts, catchy headlines, or email copy, but it's not really a long-form writing machine. Frase, on the other hand, provides more flexibility in creating structured, long-form content, with the added benefit of built-in research that can guide you through the process. So, if you're aiming for high-quality, in-depth content, Frase is the better choice here. Next up is pricing. Copy.ai tends to be more affordable, especially if you're working on a tight budget. Frase is a bit pricier, but you get a lot more for your money, especially if you're focused on quality research and SEO-driven content. The pricing model for Frase is tiered, and depending on which plan you choose, you might have access to more advanced features like AI-assisted content briefs, enhanced research tools, and competitor analysis. At the end of the day, both tools are solid choices, but if you're looking for a balance of research and writing capabilities, neither is perfect for all use cases. Copy.ai is great for quick, simple content, but when it comes to research and crafting high-quality, SEO-optimized articles, Frase really takes the lead. Now, here's the twist. After trying both of these tools myself, I can confidently say there's a better alternative out there for those who want the best of both worlds, research and writing. And the good news is, you can try it out for yourself with the exclusive free trial linked in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best trial available, along with some exclusive benefits only for our viewers. So, if you want a tool that truly delivers on research and writing, make sure to check out the link below and see what the competition can offer.